This is a test paper, SLS test paper. So first time I have given the 20 questions for you, right? So what is the first answer?
Yes.
Cotton and woolen cloths are smooth to touch. Yes or no?
Yes.
Cotton and the woolen cloths are smooth to touch?
True, sir.
True, sir.
False only, right?
Yes, sir. False. Sir.
Woolen cloth is somewhat coarse in nature. And the cotton cloths are somewhat coarse in nature. It's not completely smooth.
Sir, silk is smooth to touch.
Silk is smooth in nature. Okay. What about the second one? Tightly compressed bundles of cotton are called as in
Bales.
bales. The tightly compressed bundles of cotton are called as in bales. Can you say it clearly or not?
You can see it, sir.
You can see now. Okay. Next one. India is a proud inventor of cotton clothing. Is it correct or wrong?
Yes, sir, it's correct.
India is a proud inventor for the cotton clothing. It is correct only.
Yes, sir.
Because before British came to India only, the cotton clothing is famous in India, right?
Sir,
Yes, sir.
sir.
Yeah, hello.
Sir, I am Ashwath, sir. Ashwath Reddy, sir.
Yeah, good evening, Ashwath.
Good evening, sir. Sir, I was not logged into the topper, sir, when the test was there.
Then you can ask directly to Manoj sir, right? At the time itself.
Sir, actually,
Okay, first we'll go for the Sri Harsha. First two questions.
So,
What is the answer for first two questions?
so first one is option C.
Okay.
Second one is cotton, sir.
Which of these fabric will you choose to wear in the hot and humid conditions?
So cotton.
Cotton, very good. Next, third and fourth is for the Sudisha.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, third and fourth for you.
Cotton is obtained from the fleece of the animal. Sir, it is wool and nylon.
Wool and
Nylon.
nylon. We'll get
Sir,
the nylon.
actually it is, sir, it is wool and cotton, sir.
Wool and cotton. No. Cotton will get from the cotton plants, right? Not from the animals, right?
Yes, sir. Sir,
And-
but silk is from the silk moths, no, sir.
Yeah. So answer is only wool. Which of the following is obtained from the fleece of animal? That is the wool.
One, right? Okay, sir.
Only wool. Okay. Fourth one answer, Sudisha.
Yes, sir. Which type of soil is good for the growth of cotton plant? Alluvial soil, sir.
Alluvial soil.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir, black soil, sir.
Black soil. Next. Which soil is better?
Sir,
Sir,
the
black
black soil,
soil.
sir. Black soil. Sir.
Black soil is the answer.
Sir, but alluvial soil is also the same, I think, sir.
Alluvial soil also grow better only, but out of the given four, the best
Sir,
one is the black soil.
black soil is better, sir.
Jute is alluvial soil.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes.
Next one. Jaydeep.
sir. Sir, lint is a thread that is obtained from spinning a fiber.
Yeah. It's a fiber,
And-
right?
Sir,
It is a thread-like structure.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
And
Next.
the process of separating the cotton fibers from the seeds is known as ginning.
Ginning. Very good. 7th and 8th. Harsha, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. What is the 7th and 8th answers?
The seventh one is it's called as spinning, sir.
The process of changing fiber into yarn is called as a
Spinning, sir.
spinning. Very good. Eighth one.
Sir, eighth one is uh, power loom, sir.
Power looms.
Sir, hand loom, sorry.
Not hand looms.
Sir, hand loom.
On the large scale, the cotton fabrics are made by power looms only. Good. Don't confuse. If I do the confusion also, you should not confuse. You should stick with your answers only.
Okay, sir.
Okay, that is the power looms is the correct answer. Next, Lohini.
Sir, the answer is both. The ninth one.
Ninth one answer is both. How come? In which of the
None of
following?
Sir, none of this, sir.
It's not none of these also. Already explained you this process in the video also.
Sir, can I tell?
Wait.
Sir, can I tell?
Wait. I will give chance to Lohini. Let her explain. No problem.
Sir, which question?
Ninth question and 10th question. Ninth we are discussing now.
Okay, sir.
In which of the following single yarn is used to make a piece of fabric? No problem. Think and say. Weaving means what? Interlacing of two set of yarns, right?
Yes, sir.
Knitting means what? Taking one yarn and making into the interlacing process. So knitting is the answer, ninth answer. Okay, Lohini.
Okay, sir.
So in the process of knitting, we'll use single yarn to make a fabric. Okay. Next, 10th, Lohini. Lohini, what is the 10th answer? Sorry, she is not there.
Sir, she is there.
Lohini,
Yes, sir.
so what is the 10th answer?
In which of these states does the jute plant? West Bengal.
West Bengal, very good. Which of the states does the jute plant grows? So it mostly grows in the West Bengal.
West Bengal.
Yatharth,
Yes, sir.
next three.
Which of the following is used for making gunny bags? Sir, jute, sir.
Jute. Which of the following is used for making gunny bags is jute.
Jute, sir.
With the help of jute fiber only will make the gunny bags. Very good. Next one.
The process of getting fiber from gunny skin rods is called retting, sir.
The process of getting fiber from gunny skin rods is called as an
Retting.
retting. Is it clear for everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next, Yatharth.
Yes, sir.
Next one.
The dash fabrics are obtained from stem or flax plant. Sir, linen. Linen, sir.
Is it correct? Remaining people?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Very good. From the linen fabrics are obtained from the stem of the flax plant. But one more thing is there. What is it? We'll get from the flax seeds.
Sir, the oil, sir. Linseed oil.
It's a linseed oil. Very good. Next, 14, 15, 16. Jay.
Sir.
14 to 16th. Any answer?
Okay, sir. Sir, the sandals are made from the stem of the coir, sir.
But option coir is not there, right?
Oh. Sir, sorry, sir. It is sisal, sisal.
Season.
Yes, sir.
Check it.
Yes, sir. It is footwear, sir.
Okay, okay.
And the 15th one is hats are made from the stem of the banana tree.
The stem of the banana.
Tree.
Good.
And silk fabric is named as the queen of fabrics.
The silk fiber is named as the
Queen of
queen of
fabrics.
fabrics.
And
Okay.
the cotton fibers.
Wait. Up to
Okay,
16.
sir.
Next, Drona.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, 17 to 20.
Sir.
17th, what is the answer? 17, 18, 19.
Sir, in the 17th one, sir.
Yeah.
Cotton, sir.
Okay. Why cotton? Why not others?
Because cotton is also made up of cotton is also natural fiber, sir. And paper is also a natural hair, sir.
Whether cotton will show burning hair smell? First thing. Either cotton will have the burning hair smell.
Sir, I think so, sir.
You think so?
Sir, no, sir.
Who is this?
Sir, Jaideep, sir.
Wait, Jaydeep. Ashwath. Ashwath is connecting. Sriharsha.
Sir,
Whether cotton will show the burning hair smell?
no, sir.
No.
No, sir.
Then which one will show the burning hair smell?
Sir, silk, I think.
The answer is
Silk.
silk. Very good. Why the silk is showing burning hair smell then?
Sir, I don't know the reason, sir.
You don't know the reason. No problem.
Sir, can I say?
Yeah,
Sir?
Alisha.
Sir, it is because they use so many chemicals.
It's not because of using so many chemicals. It is due to other reason also is there. Anyone else except Jaydeep? Ashwath?
Sir, my computer just shut down, sir. I joined now only, sir.
Okay, what is the answer for 17?
Dash fibers has burning hair smell when showed in flame. Cotton, sir.
Cotton.
Yes, sir.
Jay, what is the answer, reason?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. You can tell
Sir,
the answer and you
because-
can tell the reason behind it.
Sir, the answer is silk, sir, because the protein fibrin present in the silk and the protein keratin present in the case of hair, sir. So this smell helps us to find out the real silk, sir.
Very good. Generally, the answer for 17 is the silk. Generally, if you start burning the protein materials, it will have the smell of hair, smell of burning hair. Okay. If you burn the cotton, you'll get the smell of the paper. When you're burning the paper, which smell you'll get? Same smell will you get when you're burning the cotton. Understanding?
Sir, but
Yes,
once
sir.
I tried burning a cotton, sir, when I was small, but I didn't get such kind of smell, sir.
Generally, cotton will give a small, little amount of smell only. That is a smell like a burning paper, because paper also you are getting from the plant only, and the cotton also is getting from the plant only, right?
Yes, sir.
Both will have the similarity in the smell somewhat. In the same way, hair and the silk both are getting from the animals only, right?
Yes, sir.
So these two will have the similar smell.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Next one, Drona.
Yes, sir.
Everyone be ready with your answers. I'll ask everyone also.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Drona, what is the answer?
In the 18th one, sir.
Yeah,
Silk, sir.
silk.
Yes, sir. I think so, silk.
Anyone else?
Sir, spider silk, sir.
Spider silk.
Sir, silk, sir.
Repeat it again. Sir, it is A, sir. Option A, silk.
Silk is only the natural fiber. It is the strongest.
Yes, sir.
You have seen the material video also, right? Just now.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. It said it's like metal thread, sir.
Yeah.
Steel thread, sir. It
Steel
is
thread.
as strong as that.
Okay, wait. Next, we'll give chance to the Sudisha. 19th
Yes.
answer.
Sir, dash protein which is present in our hair is sir,
Sorry,
glycoprotein.
not
Sir, can
glycoprotein.
I get?
Wait, Ashwath.
Sir, can
Sriharsha.
Sir,
What is the answer for 19th?
sir, it's
Sir,
sir, it's collagen.
Sorry,
Sir, it's option B.
option B, collagen.
Sir, can
Yes,
I?
sir.
sir, I have a guess, sir. Can I?
Yeah,
Sir, is it lipoprotein?
Sir, it's keratin, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir, but
keratin.
keratin cannot be, no, sir, because it is for hemp and all that.
The answer is keratin only.
Okay.
Because whatever the protein material is there in the hair and
For
the nails.
hair, it's okay, but for nails also.
No. Hair and nails are grown with the help of the protein collagen, keratin.
Sir, I have a doubt, sir.
Yeah,
Sir, but we say that
you say that. Any doubts?
sir, I have
No,
a doubt,
sir.
sir. Sir, I have doubt.
Yeah, you can ask me, no problem.
Sir, why do we need to kill silkworms to get silk, sir? Already they will come out of the cocoon and they will give the we can take the silk from the cocoon, right, sir?
Very good. Good doubt. See, if you are getting the silk from the cocoon after the silkworm is going out now, generally silkworm want to cut, right? Cocoon to come out.
Sir?
Generally, if you silk
Yes,
moth has
sir.
to
Yes, sir.
come out now, you should cut the silk cocoon and come out, right? The thread.
Yes, sir.
So when you are cutting the thread, it will become less in length, right? The fiber length will become shortened,
Yes, sir.
and the quality of the fiber will decrease.
Yes, sir.
When you are collecting the cocoons after the silk moth is going out, the quality of the fiber will decrease. Along with that, the length of the fiber will be shortened. So to get the good quality of the silk, we'll collect the silk moth with the cocoon itself, with the larva inside itself.
Sir, so sir, when it's in the cocoon, when it is sleeping inside the cocoon, we'll kill it then only.
Yeah, all the cocoons will take it and we'll keep it in the boiling water. We'll collect all the cocoons and we'll keep it in the boiling water for some time. So that what will happen? The larvae present inside the cocoon will kill automatically, right? Due to the hot water.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So after keeping the cocoons in the boiling water only, we'll get the silk. That you'll study in the higher classes, how it is be done processing and all. Okay.
Okay,
Okay,
sir.
sir.
Okay. 20th question you can leave it. We'll discuss afterwards that one. 21st. 21st, 22nd. Next, we'll come to the again
Sir,
Lohini.
burn.
Lohini.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
What is the 21st and 22nd answer?
Sir, burning hair.
Burning.
Hair smell.
Sir, should I?
Wait, I'll give you chance next. Okay.
Yes. Sir.
Burning paper or burning hair?
Burning paper, sir.
Burning paper. Very good. 22nd.
Fiber. Fabric, sir.
On pulling and
Wrong,
pressing
it's
the yarns.
option D, none.
And pulling and pressing the yarns, we get the
Get nothing, sir.
Fiber, sir.
Sir, when pulling and pressing the fiber, we get the yarn, sir. But when pulling and pressing the yarn, we get we will just it is nothing. We don't get fabric or we don't get fiber. Or we can get the fibers also, sir. Sir, I have a what do you say, sir? Sir, guess.
so on pulling and pressing the yarns, what you'll get?
Sir, nothing, sir.
Sir, nothing.
Nothing you'll get.
No, sir,
Sir,
we'll get
fibers, sir.
fibers.
Pulling means what? You'll get the fiber only, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Fiber is converted into yarn, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So fiber
Sir,
will
it is,
get.
yeah.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Then what about the 23rd?
Sir, can you say again?
23rd question.
After fabrics are made.
Sir,
Bleaching
after
and
the
dyeing
fabrics
are
are made.
usually done. Dyeing is what?
Bleaching and dyeing are usually done.
What is the meaning of dyeing?
Sir, to color it.
Sir, to change color, sir.
To change the color from one color to another color. Bleaching means
Sir. Don't know, sir.
what is the bleaching?
Sir, I don't. Sir, don't know, sir.
Bleaching means washing. Bleaching powder, you know, right?
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So bleaching means generally washing of the fibers or cloths.
Okay, sir.
Okay, generally this is done usually before the fabrics are made. So once the fabrics are made, it is a you can do the printing process and all. But the bleaching and dyeing will be usually done before the fabrics only.
Sir, option A, sir.
Yeah. It will be multiple options is there.
Yes, sir.
Or after the yarns are made. This can also possibility is there.
So, sir, it can be A or C, sir.
It can be A or D. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Next 24th. We'll give to Edarth.
Hi.
Yes, sir.
24, 25. Edarth.
Why is the process of spinning cotton fibers are twisted?
Why is the process of spinning cotton fiber twisted? What is the reason?
Sir, cotton fibers are twisted to bring together a form a yarn, sir.
The cotton fibers are twisted together to bring form yarn.
Yarn.
That is only spinning process, right?
Yes, sir.
Twisting of the fibers together to produce the thick thread.
Okay, sir.
Okay. What about 25?
In the sir. Sir, can you scroll up? I can't see.
Yeah.
Sir, up, sir. Okay, sir. In the process of knitting, the number of yarns used is 1, sir.
1.
Yes, sir.
In the process of knitting, the number of yarns used is
1.
only 1. Very good.
Sir, weaving is 2, sir.
Weaving is 2. Next, Ashwath.
Sir, a material X is flexible, but sometimes it is not. It can float, but sometimes sinks. The material X is dash. Flexible.
No. This is out of the question. We'll leave this question okay first.
Sir, I think so. It is plastic, sir.
Yes, sir.
It can
Plastic.
be
sir.
plastic only because remaining all is not flexible, right? Ceramics, rock, and glass is not flexible that much. Only plastic is flexible. And sometimes it can float, but sometimes it can be sink also. But this is not the topic related question. Leave that one.
Okay, sir.
And the next one, Ashwath,
Yes, sir.
which of the
Uh,
following is
which-
animal fiber?
Sir, cool, sir.
Cool, that's the easy one. Next, Jay,
Yes, sir. Sir, it is jute, sir.
It's a
28th
jute.
one.
Next, Sudisha, 29th. Sudisha, what is the 29th? Sudisha, are you there?
Oh,
Yes, sir. She.
And
Yeah, what is the answer for 29th?
which of the fabric is suitable for wearing in winter?
Which of
Sir,
the
it
fab-
is cotton.
Which of the fabric is suitable for wearing in winter? Is it cotton?
Nylon. Sir,
Sir, wool, sir.
That's what I'm asking her. Whether she will wear the cotton in the some winter season? Is it comfortable?
no, sir.
No, sir.
No, right?
Yes. No.
Generally, we'll wear the woolen clothes in the winter season because wool is a bad conductor of heat and electricity, right?
Yes, sir. It will protect you from the cold. Sir. Wool.
What about the next one?
Which of the fabric is used? No,
Sir, you have to scroll down, sir.
Sir, we cannot see the question.
Sir, 30, no, sir.
30th.
Sir, very easy. Cotton fire is obtained from. The answer is in the question. Sir,
The answer.
cotton fire is.
Yes, sir.
The answer is?
The answer is in the question only, sir.
The answer is in the question, sir.
Okay.
Sir, cotton will come for cotton plant only, sir.
Not from jute plant.
No, sir.
We'll try once again, no problem.
Okay, sir.
Then what you have to do? You have to do grafting techniques and all. Do you know what is a grafting in biology?
No, sir.
You'll study
No,
in
sir.
the 5th class or 6th class, right? If you take the rose stem and keep it in the pot, it will grow again.
Yes, sir. Growing through stems. Yes,
Or
sir.
else if you cut the plant into the half and keeping other branch together and tied.
Sir, flower, we can do flower also. We can do with seed also.
Yeah.
But there are some leaves, sir. From its leaves, we'll get